I'm so hungry. I wonder when my pizza will be ready. Oh, that's the oven bell. Oh, smells pretty delicious. I can't wait to eat it all up. Oh, wait. I should keep some for my sister. How do I do this? Okay, by dividing it into half, which is a fraction. Fractions. Do you know what fractions are? Well, come along, let's learn about fractions. Hey there, phonmaticians. What if I divide the pizza again? See? More people can share it, though each piece will be smaller than the whole pizza. Let's see how many pieces we have here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Aha! It is divided into 4 parts. This means it can be shared among 4 people. Each part is called a quarter. Half is represented as 1/2. A quarter is represented as 1/4. Notice that they do not look like the regular numbers we are used to. Numbers written like this are called fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole number. It tells us how many parts of a whole an object is divided into. It can be written in words like half and quarter, and in figures like this, 1/2 and 1/4. When writing a fraction, you have the numerator and the denominator with a line separating them. In half, 1/2, the numerator is 1, while the denominator is 2. The numerator is how many parts you have, while the denominator is how many parts the whole is divided into. In this case, can you tell me how many portions I removed? One portion of pizza is taken out of 4. Yummy! Watch this. So, so yummy. What portion of pizza did I eat? 1 out of 4. That's 1/4. You can also call it 1/4. The fraction of the pizza left is 1, 2, 3. 3/4. Awesome! When we know our fractions, we can easily share our biscuits and sweets with others. Phonmaticians, it's your turn to tell me what fraction of this circle is shaded. 2 out of 4, which means 2/4. Super! You are excellent. Oh, it's like my sister is here to share my pizza. Okay, phonmaticians, I'll see you for more fun lessons. Till next time, stay smart.